Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. Today I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be doing a first impression as well as a review on the Tailored Beauty line. I had reached out to the company Tailored Beauty a couple of weeks ago and they were kind enough to send me their entire product line to do a nice review for you guys. So before I jump into this review and first impression, if you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comments in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And without any further ado, we're just gonna hop right into this review because I have a lot of things that I would like to share with you guys. So whenever I do my wash routine, I love to condition and then shampoo. I like to condition my hair because it helps me detangle my hair, which leads to no breakage or any tangles or whatnot when I shampoo my hair. So, you know, it's an extra step within my wash routine, but it's worth it, honestly. And with that being said, I went in with the Tailored Beauty coconut cream conditioner to detangle my whole entire head before I did the shampooing process. Honestly, y'all, this conditioner is to die for. The conditioner is nice and creamy, it's nice and smooth, and melted into my hair. I had no problems detangling my hair. It had such great slip and it left my hair nice and detangled so that when I went to shampoo my hair, I didn't have to worry about any type of tangles, snagging, or single strand knots in my hair. After I conditioned my whole entire head, I went in with the shampoo. The shampoo smells so good and it has such a nice slip. It was nice and smooth. It made my hair feel really silky. It made my hair feel like really soft. That's the one thing that I can say about the conditioner and the shampoo. These two things literally work hand in hand because it leaves your hair feeling nice and smooth, nice and silky, no type of dryness or anything like that. So I went in with the shampoo and I was pleasantly surprised. Like, I was like, wow. Honestly, when I find a nice shampoo, a shampoo that leaves my hair feeling so soft, I'm honestly in like shock. I'm just like, whoa, you know?
Baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked.
So after I conditioned and shampooed my hair, I had went in with a deep conditioner. They did not send me a deep conditioner in this line. I'm not sure if they do have a deep conditioner or not, but I didn't receive one, so I went in with another company's deep conditioner mask and I deep conditioned my hair. And after that, I came out and I started my styling process. My styling process was fairly simple. They sent me 3 styling products, so they sent me their everything butter, their moisturizing mist. And their Perfect Coils curling jelly. I did not use the everything butter because I felt like it was a little too thick for my hair and I felt like it was going to weigh my hair down. So what I did was I went in with the moisturizing mist and I used that as my leave-in conditioner. So I made sure that I sectioned my hair off. I always style my hair in 4 sections. So I went in on the first section, I sprayed the moisturizing mist, and then I went in with the Perfect Coils curling jelly.
Staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it. We make it.
Honestly guys, that moisturizing mist made my hair feel nice and soft. It was nice and light. I have low porosity hair, so using heavy products don't do anything for my hair. They just weigh my hair down and it causes a lot of buildup. But this moisturizing mist is really good for my hair. It's really light. As you guys can see, it literally sprays, you know, and it smells so good. Everything from this line smells amazing, guys. Like, it smells delicious. It's a tropical scent. I think there's what they were trying to go for, because most of their products smell like coconut. So I think it was like a coconut, like pineapple type of scent, but it smells pleasant. It's not too strong. So I went in with the moisturizing mist, and then after that I went in with the Perfect Coils curling jelly, and my hair loved that product. At first I thought I was using a little bit too much of the product, because I noticed that a lot of the product was not almost done, because there's a lot of product in here, but I used 1/3 of this container, and I was a little shocked that I used that much, but it didn't build up my hair or anything like that. It left my coils nice and coily. I have kinky curly hair, so my coils are really coily. Like, if you look at my hair close up, you'll see that I have a lot of coils and whatnot, but this defined all of my kinks, all of my curls, and left my hair feeling nice and soft. There was a little gel cast. What I did was I put some of their Grow Thick oil and I put it on my hands just to scrunch out some of that gel cast. And honestly guys, my hair felt amazing. This is actually day 5 hair. So I'm on day 5 hair, and as you can see, my hair looks so bomb. It's like nice and shiny, nice and soft, and this is only from using the whole entire Tailored Beauty line. I honestly can say that I love their products. If I can rate their products, I would give everything a 10 out of 10. It did what it was supposed to do. The conditioner left my hair nice and moisturized. The shampoo cleansed my hair. I had no buildup, anything sitting on my scalp. The moisturizing mist left my hair nice and moisturized. It was a nice, soft, moisturizing type of feel to my hair. My hair can't take too much product, so that moisturizing mist was just right, and the gel was the star of it all. It left my hair nice and defined, and my hair is on day 5, guys. Like, usually when I'm on day 5 hair, I usually put my hair up because it doesn't look good. My hair looks amazing. I'm so in love with this whole entire line. I feel like you guys should check this line out if you can. I'm not sure what stores sell them. I think Target may sell them, and Walmart. My Targets and my Walmarts did not have these products. That's why I was pleasantly surprised when they decided that they were going to send me their products to do a review. Guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comments in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, guys, peace and love always. Bye.